Hi buds! Today we'll look at how to add styles and scripts via Vite, and we'll implement both a light and dark theme. Let's get started. Web Galaxy. We'll start with Vite. To get a detailed introduction to this tool, check out the video Bundling Assets with Laravel Vite on the Laracast's channel.
Vite is now the default module bundler within any new Laravel projects that you create. It replaces what Laravel Mix and Webpack used to do and processes any assets that need to be compiled to something the browser can understand.
In short, everything happens in the root Vite config.js file. Here, in the plugins array, we pass the paths to our styles and scripts into the Laravel input. Then, we include them in the layout file using the Vite directive. It's very simple. To test changes in real time, we run the command npm run dev. Let's test this by changing the color of the side menus to red. Next, to test JavaScript, we'll display an alert with the text 123. Everything works. If you don't need real-time updates and want to build the styles for production, simply run the command npm run build. This command minifies all styles and scripts and places them into the public build folder. Now let's look at how the dark and light theme switching is implemented. To do this, you need to know the basics of Alpine.js, as we'll use it here in combination with pure JavaScript. Here's the Alpine.js documentation, along with a simple example of implementing a counter. In Xdata, we define a variable count0. Then, on a click event, we increment it with count++. This is reactively displayed inside a span tag using xtext and the count variable. In our HTML tag, we assign the variable isDark the result of the getTheme function. If it equals dark, the HTML tag gets the class dark, otherwise it gets the class light. The dark and light styles are applied based on these classes in CSS. Now, let's look at how the getTheme function is implemented. It checks the local storage for a saved theme. If a theme exists, it uses it. Otherwise, it determines the user's current theme from their browser using the getDeviceTheme method. We also have a theme switcher located at the bottom of the left sidebar component. On click, it toggles the isDark variable, changing the theme, and sets the current value in local storage using the setTheme method. That's the end of today's lesson. Take care, buds, and see you in the next one. Bye.